John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about how to fix 5 common estate planning problems. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos almost every day, and make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps. John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm the author of Estate Planning for the Modern Family, and was recently voted one of the top 3 lawyers here in Cobb County, Georgia, along with the law firm being voted one of the top 3 law firms here in Cobb County, Georgia. Today, we're going to talk about how to fix 5 common estate planning problems. Not surprisingly, most people loathe reviewing their estate plan because it can be both confusing and daunting. Others don't want to think about death and avoid the topic altogether. If you already have an estate plan put together, you are ahead of the curve, as many people do not even have one. If you do not yet have an estate plan, there is no better time than now to sit down and get one in place. In either scenario, here are 5 common estate planning mistakes and how to fix them so that you are fully protecting your family. Number 1, you have not updated your plan. Many people consider estate planning a one-and-done proposition. This could not be further from the truth. Life happens. This may include adding new beneficiaries due to the birth of children or grandchildren, or removing beneficiaries due to a change in circumstances. Your family's needs will almost certainly have changed over the years since you first created your estate plan. Likewise, your executor, the person who will be in charge of your assets in the event of your untimely death, may have passed away or may no longer be able to serve. For these reasons, it is key to keep your beneficiaries and successor executors current. Number 2, your plan is missing key components. While you may already have an estate plan in place, it may not be comprehensive enough to fully protect your loved ones after you have passed. At a minimum, everyone should have a last will and testament, a financial power of attorney, and a healthcare directive. These documents should have been reviewed by a knowledgeable estate planning attorney within the last 5 years and immediately after any major life event, such as a marriage, divorce, birth or death of a child, receiving an inheritance, or significant increase or decrease in assets. With these life changes, the level of protection you need may have also changed. Relying on an old strategy may leave you and your loved ones vulnerable. Number 3. You have not kept up with changes in tax laws. In the past 20 years, the estate tax exemption has increased over 15 times. If you have significant wealth, you need to make sure your estate plan takes advantage of unique planning opportunities under current law. This is because an outdated estate plan structure that is not kept up with current tax law can actually do more harm than good for your loved ones, since it may needlessly cause taxes to be paid. Accordingly, a qualified estate planning attorney who fully understands your circumstances should review your documents and make necessary adjustments. Number 4, you moved without updating your estate documents. It is important to understand that each state has different laws that governs estate planning. For this reason, if you move from one state to another, it is vital that you have a local estate planning attorney review and revise your documents. You want to make certain your plan is compliant with the laws in the state in which you primarily reside. This also applies to medical powers of attorney or advance directives that may be valid in your old state, but ruled invalid in your new state, depending on the local law. Number 5, you failed to focus on life insurance and retirement accounts. One common mistake is for individuals to fail to review life insurance policies after they were originally issued. Neglected policies may not be properly funded, resulting in a lapse in coverage and requiring hefty premiums to keep the policy in force. Likewise, it is important to take advantage of listing beneficiaries on retirement accounts rather than leaving them to your estate. When a beneficiary is listed there, these assets avoid probate, which is the long and expensive legal process of distributing your assets upon your death through court supervision. And it allows beneficiaries to keep the majority of these funds in tax-advantaged accounts. What am I saying? Without proper maintenance and administration, your carefully put together estate plan may not work as you intended. Reach out to us because we're here to help. That's really all we have to talk about today. If you've watched our videos for any amount of time, then you know what we do is we help people plan their estate. To do that, we've created a book called Estate Planning for the Modern Family. You're going to want to get a copy of this book, so I'm putting a link in the description below so you can order it online. It will tell you all about wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and the probate process. It also comes with a bonus. The bonus is if you have trouble sleeping at night, you can read it and it will get you right to sleep, so make sure you read it in the morning. If you want to learn a little bit more about the firm or maybe schedule a free consultation for yourself, give us a call at 678-809-4922. That's 678-809-4922. I'm also putting a link in the description below so you can reach out to us to schedule that free consultation. All right, that's all we have for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we put out new videos almost every day, and make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps.